Today to show you a little bit of my itty bitty little backyard farm, because I thought it'd be a fun thing to do while we're all stuck at home. Gives me a good reason to get dressed, and hopefully it's a fun thing for you guys to do as well. Again, my name is Kat. I'm a photographer and mostly a stay-at-home mom slash tiny zookeeper. And I'll introduce you to the whole family. As you can see, I already have a couple dogs here. Let me grab one of them. Who's ready? Ryan, you can be first. I'll bring my husband Ryan, then we have two little boys also to help us on the farm.
Hey!
Here's Ryan. He helps do lots of stuff. Most importantly, he bankrolls everything, but he also does a lot of work too, so that's good. So, now I'll start grabbing kids. Charlie, Hunter, come here. It's okay. This is Charlie. He's 7. What kind of stuff do you do to help around our little farm?
Well, pretty much everything that I want to help with.
Yep, you're really good at feeding George.
Oh, and Hunter.
This is Hunter. Hunter is 4 years old. What kind of stuff do you do to help with the animals?
I'm 4.
You're not? How old are you now?
It's okay. What kind of stuff do you do to help us with the animals?
I'm 67.
You're 67?
Hunter's 67 years old.
He
looks amazing. What do you do around the farm to help us?
Do you help look for eggs?
I help with eggs, and I help Petty, and
You do great at petting.
Mom.
Oh, we love you too.
And my brother.
Oh, so this is the whole family. We all pitch in helping take care of the animals. We live in beautiful, sunny Hereford, Arizona.
Pepper.
And we will start talking about some of the animals that you will see. This is my very first video, so forgive me if things are a little bumpy and shaky. I'm still figuring everything out. Videos are not normally my thing, but the idea is I'm going to give you a little introduction and a little miniature tour today, hush you. And then what I want to do is make a series of videos where I'll kind of introduce you to some of the critters individually. I think it's going to be fun. We'll see how it goes. Right now, currently at our house, we have 5 dogs, 1 cat, 1 bearded dragon, 1 crested gecko, 5 ducks, 1 bunny rabbit, 1 potbelly pig, 2 tortoises, and roughly 35 to 40-ish chickens. I have lots of chickens. And that is all of the things that we are going to be hopefully talking about. I'm also very open to constructive but kind criticism, so you guys just let me know how you like it. I'm going to go around, grab the camera, and walk you guys around a little bit. We're just going to do outside, because the inside's real messy. We've been stuck at home with 2 little kids, so I'm sure you understand. Just gotta detach here. You get a lovely view of my porch. Usually there's a strict no chickens on the porch rule, but I have a mom, and she's got a couple little babies up here, so she gets special treatment. I think we're gonna be talking about them probably in our very first video. Now we're gonna head outside. It's nothing fancy, but it's ours. I am not Martha Stewart. We go for function. I've got several dogs here at my feet as usual. That's Pepper. She is the newest pupper dog on the farm. You can already see lots of chickens. My chickens and ducks have free range of the yard. We're on just a little bit over an acre. We have about, it roughly half an acre fenced in. Hopefully we'll get the other part done soon. Some chickens. Sorry if it's bumpy. I'm literally tripping over puppies. And there's George, our very special potbelly pig, with all his chicken and duck buddies. It's his mud hole. There's my dog Animal. And there is Salem, the bunny rabbit. There's usually a chicken hiding up in his bunny house too. Everybody hangs out with everybody. Oh, yep, there she is. Here we have the tortoise pen. We'll take a closer look at all of these guys, don't worry. Have more chickens over here in a special little breeding area. I'm sure you can hear the ducks. They are nice and loud. They're so cute. But anyway, there most of it is. And there's Miss Pepper chewing on my toes, making me trip and fall down. Duck pond. Like I said, that is about the grand tour. The lizards and cat are inside. So we will, like I said, we will get to them when it's cleaner in there. More chickens under here. There's chickens everywhere. Chickens, chickens, chickens. All right, guys. Well, thanks. I'm going to keep it real short for this one. Just wanted to do a really brief introduction. I'll let you know when we have our first video up. We're going to talk a lot about baby chickens because it's springtime and nothing says springtime like baby chickens. So cool. Like I said, come and join me for the next video. I will try to have it up soon. Thank you. Chickens, chickens, chickens.